Before we jump into the video, don't forget to check the description below where you can find links to our blog, shop, free downloads, resources, giveaways and all kinds of goodies. Hey everybody and welcome to 𝐻𝐻 Cat. In this video we're going to show you 19 warning signs that your cat may need help and how to tell if your cat is suffering. We will also show you what you can do in emergency situations. So why do cats hide their pain? Cats are well known for hiding injuries or pain. In the wild, a cat that appears weak or injured is more likely to be attacked by predators. As a result of this, cats have evolved to mask their pain and they will keep going even when they are hurt. The instinct to hide the pain can make it very difficult for pet owners to tell when their cat is sick or they need attention. However, here are some of the warning signs that you can look out for. So number one is bad breath. If you notice your cat has bad breath, it could be a sign of gingivitis or another dental issue. Dental problems are common in cats and they can become quite painful. So if you suspect that your cat has a dental issue, you need to take them to the vets immediately. Number two, your cat's litter box habits have changed. Changes in litter box habits can be a sign of various health problems in cats. If your cat suddenly starts urinating outside of the litter box, it could be a sign of a urinary tract infection or another medical condition. If your cat is pooping outside of the litter box, it could be a sign of a gastrointestinal issue. Number three, ear debris or discharge. Checking your cat's ears is something that you should be doing on a regular basis. Ear debris or discharge can be a sign of ear mites, an infection or another type of ear issue. If you notice any debris or discharge in your cat's ears, take them to the vet for an evaluation. Number four, personality changes. All cats have their own unique personality, so you know your own cat better than anybody else does. If you notice that your cat's personality has changed, it could be a sign that there is something wrong there. For example, if your cat is normally very social and they have become withdrawn and isolated, it may be a sign of pain or illness. If your cat is normally active and they suddenly become lethargic and isn't interested in playing anymore, they may be sick or injured. Personality changes can also be a sign of cognitive decline in senior cats. Number five, changes in breathing. Another warning sign that your cat may need help is a change in their breathing. If your cat is having difficulty breathing, panting or wheezing, it's time to seek medical attention. Cats normally breathe at a rate of 15 to 30 breaths per minute. If you notice that your cat's breathing has increased, it could be a sign of pain, anxiety or another medical condition. Number six, changes in weight. So a sudden change in weight is another sign that your cat may need help. If you notice that your cat has lost or gained a significant amount of weight, it could be a sign of an underlying health condition. Weight loss can be a sign of diabetes, cancer or other diseases. Weight gain can be a sign of overfeeding or thyroid problems. Number seven, increased vocalization. Some cats are naturally more vocal than others, depending upon the breed and the actual personality of the individual cat. However, if your cat has suddenly started meowing more than usual, it could be a sign that they are in pain or discomfort. Number eight, loss of appetite. If your cat has suddenly gone off their food, it could be a sign that something is wrong. Cats usually don't lose their appetite unless they are feeling unwell. A loss of appetite in cats can be caused by many different things, from dental problems to cancer. Number nine, dull coat or fur. Another warning sign that your cat needs help is a dull coat or fur. A healthy cat's fur should be shiny and lustrous. If your cat's fur is looking lackluster, it could be a sign of poor nutrition or an underlying health condition. Number 10, swelling. Any signs of swelling on your cat's body should be a cause for concern. Swelling can indicate an infection, an injury or a mass. Number 11, over-grooming. Cats are notoriously clean creatures who spend a lot of their time grooming, but if you notice your cat is suddenly over-grooming, it could be a sign of anxiety or an underlying skin condition. Number 12, increased thirst. Cats generally do not have a very high thirst drive, so if your cat is drinking more water than they usually would, it could be a sign of diabetes or kidney disease. Water consumption is not something that most people think to monitor in their cats on a day-to-day basis, but if you notice your kitty is chugging water, make an appointment with your vet. Number 13, vomiting. Vomiting can be as simple as a hairball or an upset stomach, but if your cat is vomiting frequently, it could be a sign of something more serious like liver disease, intestinal blockage, or even cancer. Number 14, discharge from the eyes or nose. If you notice your cat has discharge in either the eyes or the nose, it could be a sign of an upper respiratory infection. If the discharge is greenish or yellow, this is likely bacteria. If it's clear, it may just be allergies. Number 15, diarrhea. Just like vomiting, diarrhea can be as simple as just an upset tummy. However, it could be a sign of something more serious like intestinal parasites, pancreatitis, or liver disease. Number 16, lethargy. Lethargy is another warning sign that your cat may need help. If your cat is sleeping more than usual, doesn't have much energy to play, or just generally seems off, then something may be wrong. Lethargy can be a sign of many different things, including anemia, infection, diabetes, and even kidney disease. Number 17, limping and trouble jumping up. Limping is an obvious sign that your cat may need help. If your cat is limping or having trouble jumping, it may be a sign of arthritis, an injury, or even cancer. If you notice your cat is limping or having trouble getting around, take them to the vet right away to get them checked over. Number 18, skin irritation or hair loss. Now, cats are known for their grooming habits, so if you notice that your cat is itching more than usual or losing hair, it may be a sign of skin irritation or allergies. If your cat is scratching themselves raw or losing patches of fur, take them to the vet to get them checked out to find what the cause is. Treating the underlying issue will help relieve your cat's discomfort and get their coat looking shiny and healthy again. Number 19, increased appetite. As well as loss of appetite, you may also notice an increase in your cat's appetite. This could be a sign of diabetes or hyperthyroidism. If your cat is eating more than usual, combined with other symptoms on this list, make an appointment with your vet to get them checked over. Emergency situations and your cat. So when it comes to solutions and emergency situations, there are two things that we highly recommend. So the first one is Vetster. Vetster is an on-demand online vet appointments, and you can get access to thousands of veterinarians via video chat 24/7. And number 2 is Eusoh. Eusoh is similar to pet insurance, but it's much better. And what it is, it's a community health sharing plan that reimburses you for your pet's medical wellness, illness, and routine care expenses. And some of the things it covers are injuries, illness, annual checkups, cancer, plus amongst many other things. Both of these links will be left in the description below this video, so make sure to check them out and look through all the details and get yourself signed up to them.